Therefore, the question of paying any brokerage to the petitioner does not arise. He also submitted that the respondent via its email dated 1/3/2017 informed the petitioner about the disputed debt and also provided the call recording of the customer along with details of non-payment of consideration of the flat by the customers. Full stop. He therefore stated that it is explicit that the respondent has raised the dispute before the filing of the petition and issuance of demand notice. Full stop. The respondent categorically indicated the claimed invoices subject to the agreement entered into between the parties, and since the bookings were not made with the involvement of the operational creditor, no amount was payable to the operational creditor. Para. After continuous follow-up by the debenture holders, a letter came to be issued by the respondent on 5/2/2019, whereby it admitted to the fact that no interest has been paid post the March 2018 quarter, and that even with respect to the March 2018 quarter, only 80% of the payment has been made. Para. The respondent further admitted to the fact that in addition to the payment of interest, the repayment of the principal amount is also due. Full stop. It was stated in the letter that due to adverse market conditions in the real estate sector, the sale of units has been negligible, leading to delay in repayment as per the terms of subscription. Full stop. Even after the assurance by the respondent that the payment will be promptly made, till date the dues have not been cleared by the respondent. As on date, the total payment outstanding in favor of the petitioners from the respondent is rupees 68253,864. The said amount also include the interest to be paid as per the terms of the subscription. Full stop. Even after repeated reminders, the petitioners have been denied the return on their investment by the respondent. Full stop. In the light of the foregoing, the total outstanding amount of rupees 682523864 as per the terms of the NCD subscription is a financial debt under section 5(8) close of the code. Full stop. Hence, this petition, the petitioners have no authority to file the captioned petition. Full stop. Petitioners have failed to disclose the details of the debenture trust deed. Full stop. The debenture trustee has not filed the present petition. Full stop. The petition is against the letter and spirit of the terms of the debenture trust cum mortgage deed dated 28/3/2016, in terms or which action in debenture holders has been defined as such number of debenture holders holding 75% or the nominal value of the then outstanding debentures. Full stop. The debenture trustee on behalf of the debenture holders can initiate proceedings against the corporate debtor in accordance with the provisions of the debenture trust cum mortgage deed dated 28/3/2016 and not otherwise. Full stop. Hence, in the absence of the debenture trustee being a petition nor any letter of authority in favor of the petitioners, this petition is filed without any authority and ought to be rejected and dismissed on this ground in limine. Full stop. The debenture trustee as the liaison between the issuer company and the debenture holders who hold the secured property on behalf of the issuer company, which is mortgaged in favor of debenture trustee for protecting the interest of debenture holders. Full stop. Debenture trustee is an entity that secures any issue of debentures of a body corporate for the benefit of investors. Para. Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner company. Full stop. No objector has come before the tribunal to oppose the petition, and nor any party has controverted any averments made in the petition. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner company submits that this petition is for confirmation of a special resolution passed by the petitioner company for utilization of entire balance in securities premium account to set off accumulated losses of rupees 220 crores 16 lakhs 55,650 only against the securities premium account, thereby reducing the balance in the securities premium account from